Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It's the one and only Timothy, and you'll be doing another unboxing. Yeah, another unboxing video here. I hope all of you will enjoy this unboxing. Now let's open this and find out who sent this to me. Glad y'all have been enjoying my unboxing videos. Okay, let's see what it is. No, I got some shot glasses. And who sent this? Hey, Timothy. These are some cute shot glasses. Hope you enjoyed them. Alexander Peters. Well, thank you, Alexander Peters. I really appreciate it. Let's open it. Well, you got a lot of shot glasses now. Look at that, peeps. Isn't that pretty cool? I like that. A little shot glass. I could go sippy sippy. Well, thank you, Alexander. Alexandra, I really appreciate it big time. I know I will be using these a lot. Whenever I do a shot thing on my other channel. Yeah, if you're new and you came along this video, I do got me another channel here. It's called the Beer Man ASMR. And you know what I do is do just drinking sounds and talk and everything. So, but I require you got to be 18 of age to watch that channel. You know, don't want the youngins to go over there and be watching and everything. I just want more adult people over there and stuff. That's mainly for adults to enjoy and stuff. But again, Alexandra Peters, thank you again for these shot glasses. Isn't that sweet of Alexandra to do that? I think so. Yeah. Got some shot glasses, people. Well, I got a lot of shot glasses. That is for sure. That's definitely for sure. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this unboxing video here. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this unboxing, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell whenever I upload a video. You'll be notified. That is for sure. But until my next video, they call me Unboxing with Timothy. And this unboxing video's over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.